Samaritan Swati's Craft. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please give a like and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon near the subscribe button and click the all option so that you will be getting the notifications of our videos. So today we will be doing an Olympic special craft. For that I have taken a paper and cut these kind of shapes and then place it in a cardboard and mark the outline, cut them off. Now we are going to paste the paper over the cardboard. So now I have pasted. Then I have drawn a small rectangle, so cut it off. Then take a thin cardboard and draw a line of 0.5 cm width. So let us cut this strip. The length of the strip should be equal to the circumference of the circle. So let us paste it around the circle. So next let us paste the another circle over this one. Now I have pasted. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Now I have taken newspapers and take a small amount of water and then add a little glue. Then add the cut newspaper pieces into the water. Leave this mixture aside for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, paste the newspaper pieces around the circle like I have done. After finishing, leave it aside for half an hour. Then I have taken a bowl and a spoonful of plaster of Paris. Here I am sifting the plaster of Paris to avoid the lumps. So now I am going to add a spoonful of water, 2 to 3 spoons of water. Then mix them well. So now let us apply the plaster of Paris mixture over the circle. Make sure you apply the plaster of Paris only after the circle is completely dried. Then I am cutting the newspaper over that hole which we made when we cut the cardboard. After it is dried, smoothen it with the salt paper. And as you all guessed, now we are doing an Olympic medal. So I have given some details that are available on the Olympic gold medal. Now let us give the outline using 3D outliner. I am using the Fevicryl company. So you can even use our homemade 3D outliner. So I will attach the link of the video on how to make a homemade 3D outliner in the description. So I have given, let it dry for 10 minutes. Then I am going to give white as the base color. And the best part here is not only Japan, but we are also recycling our old things to make this a gold medal. And now I am going to paint it gold to give it a real look. So as of my experience, it is better to use a golden powder by mixing it with either Fevicol or white acrylic color. It gives a better result than using the golden acrylic color directly. So if you do not have any of these paints, Then you can even use the golden covers that are available on the chocolate wrappers. Give at least 2 coatings of golden color, otherwise the color will be very pale. Now our medal is ready, and to make it hang we are going to attach thread. Doesn't it look real? So now I have taken the satin ribbon which is available at the local shops. Insert the satin ribbon into the hole and tie a knot at the end based on the length you need, and cut the excess satin ribbon. And now our meticulous medal is ready. You can wear it and enjoy the Olympic season. And at this moment I would like to congratulate all the Olympic participants and Neeraj Chopra for winning gold. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Keep supporting us. Thank you.